Ladies and gentlemen, the moment which you've been waiting for. You see my Christmas lights around it in my bedroom? It actually lights up the whole thing. That's right. And you can tell in my reflection, I'm wearing my Santa hat. You can see it right there. Oh yes, I'm wearing my Bucky's Christmas t-shirt that I got. So, sorry. So, reason we got this, why is it Christmas? Beautiful, why is there Christmas lights? That's right. Since today is December. So, we're going to be doing a Christmas edition. So, what are we going to be doing for Christmas edition? That's right. We're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. So, once again, I'm System Sensor 250, and guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So, guys, today's video, we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. So, guys, that means we're going to be doing a smoke alarm test number 29, Christmas edition. So, I hope everybody did have an amazing day. We're getting close to be Christmas, so make sure you guys check out my Christmas calendar event of Lego Marvel. I will be uploading YouTube Shorts every single Christmas year until December 25th, 2023. So, before we get started, smash the subscribe, like, and smash the bell button. Any questions, you chat me in the comments or chat me on Discord as well too. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get started the smoke alarm test. Christmas edition. I am wondering where the smoke alarm could it be. I know there's somewhere right here, but it's not. But somewhere at the table. Let's see if I can actually in the previous. What? Buck? What are you doing? Are you trying to take my smoke alarm test away? Well, or are you just going to want to say hi? Well, he's actually, well, okay then. You're being my smoke alarm, don't you? Yeah, I figured. So, we have the first alert CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. And that is actually hosting Buck the Beaver. You already see him on the YouTube Shorts, so it will be actually posted every single day, like starting from December 4th through December 25th. So, anyways, guys, Buck the Beaver, are you ready for the smoke alarm? Yes, he is ready. So, here we go. Starting now in 3, 2, 1. We're going to do 3 tests compared. Here we go. I think it's starting to get a little bit low. That's a good sight. Sorry. There we go. And I will do one more in the cluster mode. That's pretty experienced smoke alarm. Well, Buck the Beaver, do you think it's kind of loud to you? Little bit? Yeah, I figured. So, yeah. So, that's going to be concluded the smoke alarm test video. So, let's go ahead and wrap. What do you guys think of the smoke alarm test video so far? Let me know in the comments. So, anyways, guys, that's going to be the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Now, guys, before we guys end, make sure you guys don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just chat me in the comments or chat me on Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Make sure you guys don't forget to check out my latest video through my homepage as well too. Make sure you guys don't forget to check out my second, third, and fourth YouTube channel. Smash the subscribe on those channels. I'll be super appreciated. So, anyways, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys in the next video. And peace.